In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Make.com in 2 minutes. Full 2025 step-by-step guide. We're keeping this quick and simple using OAuth, which is the easiest and most secure way to connect. OAuth lets Make talk to Airtable without you copying API keys or exposing sensitive credentials, and you stay in full control of what data gets shared. Start in any Make scenario where you plan to use Airtable. Add an Airtable module like Watch Records or whichever one fits your workflow. Right in that module's settings, find the connection field and click Add. This is where we'll create the secure link between Make and Airtable so your modules can access the right base and tables. When the connection window opens, set the connection type to Airtable OAuth. Choosing OAuth ensures your authorization happens directly with Airtable. It also means you can later review or revoke access from your Airtable account without changing anything in Make. Next, a browser pop-up will appear to authorize the connection. If you're not already signed into Airtable, log in when prompted. If you manage multiple Airtable accounts or workspaces, make sure you're signed into the correct one before proceeding. After sign-in, you'll see Airtable's permission screen where you decide exactly what Make can access. Click the plus add a base button. Select the specific base or bases you want. Make to use. This is a great moment to apply the principle of least privilege. Only grant access to what your scenario needs. You can select multiple bases if your automations span more than one. When you're happy with the selection, click Grant Access. Airtable will confirm the authorization and return you to Make. Back in Make, you'll see your new Airtable connection listed and ready to use in the module. From here, that same connection can be reused across other Airtable modules in the same scenario or in future scenarios, so you don't have to repeat the authorization each time. Quick recap. Add an Airtable module in your Make scenario, create a new connection, choose Airtable OAuth, log in if prompted, then click plus add a base, pick the bases you need, and hit Grant Access. If you don't see the authorization window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Make. And remember, you can adjust or revoke access later from your Airtable account if your needs change. That's it. Your Airtable account is securely connected to Make and you're ready to build. Thanks for watching and happy automating.